Hi everyone, and thanks for watching. This is Sabihuddin Siddiqui. Now I am going to present you about the workshop on computer science pre-release 2019 session. The component code is 2210/22 and 23. The special focus with the full coverage will be given on expected questions along with the programming statements in Python. The venue is D. Raju's, already known as DAPS, at Gulshan Chaurangi. You can find the days in the coming month, that is February. The days would be 1st, 8th, 15th and 22nd on every Friday, and the timing would be 7:30 to 9. The second day, that is Saturday, on every Saturday in the month of February, that would be 2nd, 9th, 16th and 23rd of February. Timing would be 7:30 to 9. And the third day is Tuesday, that would include 5th, 12th, 19th and 26th of February, and the time would be 7:30 to 9. So I would recommend you to take part in this course and become the one who wants to learn Python and who wants to go with the Python and the smooth flow of this computer science. You can inquire about the particular course, and the number is given at 02134966272. You can contact the DAPS administration at any time. So I would recommend you again that you take part in this course, and this will help you out in learning computer science with Python coding. Thanks for watching. I would be waiting for you.